Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We got carbon dioxide going through a pipe at a pressure of 3.001 MPa and a temperature of 501 Kelvin, moving steadily at a rate of 0.41 kmols per second. We want to find the inlet volume flow rate, mass flow rate, and density. Then part B, we want to find the exit volume flow rate at a exit temperature of 451 Kelvin. We assume the pressure is constant. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. Step 2, list all the given variables, find the unknowns. Step 3, find V dot formula. So V dot inlet is equal to N dot multiplied by RU multiplied by inlet temperature divided by pressure. So N dot is your moles per second, so that's given. And then your RU is your universal gas constant. We need to find that. T and P are also given. So step 4, find your universal gas constant. So you can Google search this, or you can find it at the back of your textbook. It will be this number. Okay. Step 5. We now plug and play, find the volume flow rate for inlet, or V dot inlet. So N dot is given in the question. Then we just found our universal gas constant. T is given. So then we divide by pressure. We convert MPa to kPa because everything is in kilo. So we want it to be in kPa, so it cancels out the universal constant. So our inlet volume flow rate is 0.569070 meters cubed per second. You may wish to reduce the decimal places depending on your assignment or exam. They may ask for 2 or 3 decimal places. Step 6, find the mass flow rate formula. So m dot inlet is equal to P multiplied by V dot inlet, which we just found, divided by the gas constant multiplied by the inlet temperature. Step 7, find the gas constant of carbon dioxide. Once again, you can Google search this or find it at the back of your textbook, and you'll get this number. So, step 8, we plug and play to find our mass flow rate. Once again, make sure your pressure is in kPa. Just switch it from MPa. So we do that to cancel out the units. Alright. So everything is found or given or worked out previously. So this is the previous answer. So our mass flow rate is 18.045 kilograms per second. You may wish to truncate the decimal places. Step 9, find the density formula. So the symbol is the Greek symbol of rho. is equal to m dot divided by v dot. So step 10, we just plug and play. So we worked out these two values previously, and you get a density of 31.71 kilograms per meter cubed. Step 11, find the exit volume flow rate formula. So v dot exit is equal to n dot RU T exit divided by P. So everything is given, we just plug and play. So the exit temperature is given, and we found our universal gas constant. N dot is given in the question, same as the pressure. Note that the pressure is converted to kPa, so your units can cancel out. So your exit volume flow rate is 0.512276 meters cubed per second. Once again, truncate your decimal places as per the assignment or exam. Disclaimers, the method is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now, before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down while I follow all copyright laws. Sometimes things happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac or Linux, use the equivalent of snipping tool. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Click on video option, click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button and snipping tool, wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square and snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. This question is most likely an exam question, just because it's a chain question. You need to answer the previous part to find the next part. Until next time, see ya.